Hi there, and welcome back to ICP DOS USA's YouTube channel. Today's video covers real-world industrial automation solutions that ICP DOS is committed to enhancing with our products. Before we get started, don't forget to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video like this. And visit us at icpdas-usa.com where you can chat with our team and find all of the products mentioned in this video. Alright, back to it. Have you ever wondered how to improve real-time responsiveness and flexibility on production lines? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Imagine you're running a complex production line. You have a central control HMI that oversees the entire operation. But what happens when you need to make quick adjustments on site without having to modify that central HMI? This can be a major challenge, especially when trying to save on time. This is where the TSH-700 Series modules come in. These innovative devices allow for multiple on-site HMIs to control production line machines concurrently with the central HMI. This means you can make adjustments right where you need them, improving operational efficiency and configuration flexibility. So how does it work? Well, the TSH-700 module acts as a mediator between the central HMI and the on-site HMIs. When both a central controller and on-site controller issue commands simultaneously, one of the commands is temporarily stored in the TSH-700 module. Once the first command is successfully transmitted, the stored command is then transmitted, effectively preventing data collisions. The key benefits from this solution are improved real-time responsiveness, enhanced flexibility, reduced downtime, and increased efficiency. In this diagram, you can see the Control Center HMI SCADA system communicating through RS-485 to the TSH-734i serial port sharers, which communicate to the PLC slaves through RS-232, and the TPD HMI master controllers communicating through RS-232 back to the TSH serial port sharers, and the PLC slaves are all connected to the field I/O modules. By enabling multiple on-site HMIs to control production line machines, it empowers operators to make quick, informed decisions and improve overall efficiency. If you're looking to enhance your production process, the TSH-700 Series modules are definitely worth considering. Interested in learning more about these modules and how they can benefit your business? Go ahead and leave us a comment below and visit us at icpdasusa.com. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.